The LUXE skin in Fortnite, the tier 100 season 8 skin. We will be drawing this today, ladies and gentlemen. If you guys want to draw with me, feel free to get a pencil, a piece of paper, and an eraser. Those are the only things that you will be needing. So we will be starting to draw this, and before we go any further, like, this would be the max fully unlocked LUXE skin in Fortnite season 8. This is a tier 100 skin that we are drawing today. So before we start drawing, make sure guys to subscribe to the channel, because once you guys are subscribing to the channel, I'm gonna make sure that you guys stay notified when there's any Fortnite news, Fortnite information, Fortnite updates, and whenever I'm like drawing like new skins or characters in Fortnite, I will be keeping you guys updated. So make sure you guys stay subscribed. We are very close to 300,000 subscribers, so make sure you guys also turn on the notification bell to be notified for our future videos. So yeah, smash the subscribe button guys, and also use the supported creator code TamashaBera if you guys are getting something from the item shop to support me as a creator. And then also make sure you guys smash the like button if you guys really like the LUXE skin, the tier 100 skin for this season, which is season 8. So we start off by drawing the outer structure. Like, the outer structure is very important to know where the character is going to be. So you can just follow the steps. I'm just drawing like curved lines with the pencil, like nothing else. Like, you just need a piece of paper and that's it. So we just start by drawing the outer, like how the structure is going to look, the outer lines. As you guys can see, we make a circle for the face, and that is how easy things are. Now we'll be starting to make the hair. Okay, we start with the hair. So we make a curved line like an inverted S, okay, and then we make another curved line just like that to give the outer circle the shape of the hair that the LUXE has. I don't know how you guys say it, like LUXE or LUXE. Anyways, like, this is the hair. It's very simple, as you guys can see. Like, it's all curvy lines. Make sure it's like very pointy at the very end. The same goes with the other one. This is how you make the hair. The other side, like curved lines, as you guys can see, like one curved line after the other one. We make another parallel line and we make it pointy at the very end, as you guys can see here in this video. Like, it's super simple guys. Like, I'm just gonna like sketch. Here's the thing, there are different tiers for this LUXE skin, so you guys can use any color. You can use the red one, you can use the golden one, you can use the white one, whatever you guys like. So like, whatever you guys want to color, if it was in the starting of the video. So you guys can use any colors, any medium. For example, you can use pencil colors or sketch pens. You can use like poster colors, watercolors, acrylic colors, anything you guys like. And now we are making the other part of her hair, of her tied up hair. As you guys can see over here, we can like we can probably make the face later and give her some nice happy vibes. Okay, so we are gonna make the face like a proper detailed structure. As you guys can see, a straight line and then a little bit curvy at the very end. As you guys can see, making the hair a little bit darker so that you guys will be able to understand how she's gonna look. Making her neck like thin as possible, like just like the one. And then we are making her shirt, like this would be the neck portion of her shirt, as you guys can see over here. And also, furthermore, we're doing a massive giveaway on our channel. It will be a season 8 battle pass fully unlocked, yes. So it doesn't matter whichever console you guys are on, you guys can definitely register. So put down your gamer tag and your console that you guys play on, and I will be sending you guys some gift codes. With that, you guys can get the season 8 battle pass, and with that you will be able to unlock the tier 100 for this season. So yeah, feel free to do that. I usually do it here and there, like small giveaways, big giveaways. So now we are making the hand. As you guys can see, like, I made the arm, and like it's like curved lines. Okay, it's not straight lines. Okay, it's all curved, one after the other. Okay, it's a female skin, so the hands are gonna be like pretty thin, unlike the male ones. They have like broader hands. So you got to keep that in your mind. So right now we are making the gloves. As you guys can see, one curved line after the other. You can use an eraser like me. If you guys are not satisfied with what you have drawn, like, you guys can definitely use an eraser, just like me that I'm using right now. In the previous season, we did the Ice King, we did the TROG, we did the LYNX, we did so many skins. And this season we will be also doing the Peely, the most requested video. We will probably be doing that tomorrow or something, so stay tuned in for that. There are like so many new Fortnite videos that I want to make, but there's like so less time. Half of the notifications, they don't get sent. So I want to give you guys the very best of content which will be possible here on the channel. So I really enjoy drawing, okay, and I really appreciate like what I get from your review, all the people who have subscribed to the channel. So I'll be doing more of these drawings, and also like, you know, also making like normal videos of Fortnite. So we will be doing that. So whenever there's a new skin, I will be drawing these characters. So we make the hand, as you guys can see, the gloves, and we make another curved line over here and another curved line there. We make her back, like 2 curvy lines, as you guys can see over here. Then we are going to like, you know, make her other hand, like, which goes below. So that's her arm, and that's her forearm. As you guys can see, you gotta fix the hand properly. So I'm just gonna use the razor again. The arm right over here, and our forehand. I really enjoy like, you know, like drawing these characters and talking to you guys at the same time. So I'm not so sure about the hand, so I'm gonna make it again. So if you guys want, like, here's still on the end, like if you guys are drawing with me, if I'm like, you know, a little bit fast, because I really enjoy drawing, and I've been drawing for quite some time when I was a kid. So you guys can definitely pause the video, you guys can go back, rewind, you guys can like, you know, share this video with your friends, so that if they are interested in drawing as well, if you guys know someone who's good at drawing, you guys might encourage them in drawing these Fortnite characters and skins. So yeah, do share this video with them on any social media. And furthermore, if you guys are facing any kind of difficulties in drawing these structures, make sure to just, you know, just send me any questions in the comment section down below if you guys are facing difficulties in making these drawings. Or you can just reach me out on my social media, which is also on the screen right now. And also, don't forget to use the supporter creator code TamashaBera. It really helps me out a lot. I love creating like, you know, drawings, you know, more content for this channel. So I really appreciate like, you know, you guys supporting. All right, I like the hand. I think it's a little bit bigger, so maybe I would probably erase it. I'm just gonna check how things are gonna look after I finish this. I'm just looking at it, you know what, I'm gonna like reduce the hands. Like the other one is okay, but I'll still remove, like erase both of them, make it a little bit shorter. Like here's the thing, proportions are really important when it comes down to drawings. Proportions are really important. Like the size of the hand should be exactly similar to that of your face vertically, like from the tip of your finger till the very end of your palm should be the size of your face. So yeah, here's a cool tip when you guys are drawing. So you guys can use pencils, and after that you can use a marker, and then you guys can start coloring it up. Or if you want, you can just erase it and probably start using watercolors and other colors to it. I don't know, I might probably do like some sort of like, you know, giveaway of all these drawings. I have plenty of these. Like I have characters from season 7, I have characters from season 6. Now we are in season 8. So we're gonna make her waist, like the pants, like the belt. All right, it's looking pretty good. I would probably say like it's even looking better than the game. So over here on the channel, I do like, you know, Fortnite stuff related to Fortnite. And in this video, I'm just gonna draw some Fortnite character, which is the LUXE, the tier 100 skin in Fortnite. So if you guys are wondering like how to draw the LUXE or like how to draw Fortnite characters, yes, welcome to this video. Then this would be the right video. We're making her pants properly and with a proper pocket. Alrighty, making her trousers. She's wearing like a high waist trousers, so gotta give that thing. So we are gonna make her pouch, which is in the pocket, like the pocket or the pouch, I mean whatever you guys call it. So we are making that. It's already looking fantastic, isn't it, ladies and gentlemen? So I do more of these sketches, and I also do a lot of coloring. The thing is, like, I don't want to, like, really big videos where I just color and everything. I just want to like give you guys a tutorial on how to draw these Fortnite skins, characters, different skins for that particular season. We have done the hybrid, we have done the black heart, we will be doing the Peely, and right now we are doing the LUXE, the most asked character. I love the character. I would really be happier if there were like more unlockable styles to the skin, because we have like the certain pickaxe, we have a very nice back bling, making her waist a little bit thinner. So right now we are gonna go with the eyes. Okay, so we start with the eyebrows. Okay, simple eyebrows. You don't have to follow the game. I'm just gonna give you guys a very nice tutorial. Then we make the eyes. So start by making the outer structure. As you guys can see, we start by making the outer structure of the eyes, and then we make the nose, like two short things, and then a small U at the very middle, and then let's give her a smile. Okay, we can do this. All right, but then we can, like, open her mouth and everything to make her even more happier, making her eyes. All right, the eyelids, these are very important. If you guys have more time, you can use a small marker. You can make her eyelashes and everything. And this is the amazing part. Now here's the thing about the colors. You guys can choose any color, any favorite color. If it's green, blue, pink, yellow, orange, blue, any color that you guys can use to color her hair, her top, her pants. Like, you guys can choose any color, or else you can choose the color that I showed you guys at the very beginning of this video. She looks really amazing, isn't she? I think this version is even better than the game. I mean, I would say that. So this is how you draw the looks, and then after this you can start coloring this up. So let me show you guys. Okay, so I'm just gonna make it more prominent, like her hair and everything. So this is how it's gonna look when you put like colors. I'm just gonna like shade it for you guys so that you guys would know the depth and how things are gonna look. So I don't have, like, it's a very like this pencil, like, it's like so cheap. If you go to the market, they're probably gonna give it to you for free. Like, that's how cheap this pencil is. You just need a piece of paper. Any piece of paper would do. And if you guys are drawing something and you guys want to show me how you did it, just take a picture of your drawing, tweet it to me, tag me on like any social media. The social media are on the screen right now. So, or you can also send me a mail, whatever that works. I can also give you guys a shout out for all the people who are sending me their drawings. That would really be appreciated. And I really look forward to what you guys are drawing, and I can give you guys, like, some tips and tricks to make it better, like any changes in colors and everything. Let me just write my name right over here. Boom. All right, it's very simple. It's very simple. THABE. All right, TamashaBera. All right, there you go. There you go. Maybe let me just underline that. All right, looks pretty sick. Now, she has like some sort of like murals, like some sort of like fancy like designs on her arm. So we will be doing that. Like, you can use like any design. You guys can like make a unicorn. You guys can make anything possible, like on her hand. Like, you can even like write your name or your friend's name who are into Fortnite. If you guys plan to give them a birthday card or some sort of greetings card for as a Fortnite gift. So like, that's her murals, like on her hand, as you guys can see over here. We can make it a little more prominent, like the nose and everything, like making it a little bit darker so that you guys would know how we are doing the outline. The same goes with the hair. Let me make it a little bit more prominent. So this would be the chains around her body, like the necklace that she wears, like the cool chains. So this is how you do it. So if you guys have reached this part of the video, don't forget to smash the like button if you guys are enjoying these type of videos. If you guys are really excited for the LUXE skin, just make sure you smash the like button down there, subscribe to the channel, and help us reach to 300,000 subscribers. That would really be fantastic, ladies and gentlemen, and it would become like it would be a dream come true for me. So yeah, I would really that's really appreciated, guys. So her fingers, boom, done. All right, so this is how she's gonna look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I will be back with more of these videos in the future, so stay subscribed in. Make sure you click on the notification bell. I'll be here with like more videos related to the next season. No, not the next season, next week I was gonna say. So yeah, stick around for that. I will be catching you guys soon on my next video. You guys have a fantastic day ahead, and let me just make some small changes to the hair because I think like this might look even better. All right, she looks great. I even like her hair now. Now think about it, like, this is only pencil work. How beautiful she's gonna look once you start coloring it. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys watching. I will be seeing you guys soon on my next video. You guys have a fantastic day ahead, and goodbye. And don't forget to check out the videos which are appearing on the screens right now, and you guys can draw something else which is in the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching. Goodbye and have a pleasant day ahead.